So since YouTube like the copyright, whatever, I ain't gonna talk too long either, cause you know I like the quiet, silent ASMR videos. But whatever. So you take the alcohol pad, you unfold it. Come on now, unfold that alcohol pad. Then wipe this phone down. You see all them smudges and fingerprints all over the screen. Wipe it down with the alcohol pad. I mean, wipe it. Yeah, make sure your phone turned off while you're in the process of doing this so you can actually see all the smudges, my bro. But yeah, wipe it down. You not gonna hurt the screen. You ain't gonna damage the screen if you wipe it a little hard. Trust me. I know. You know. You ain't gonna hurt that screen if you just wipe it. I'm trying to get all the smudges off. I don't know why at first it was like a little hard, but whatever. They came off eventually. But yeah, y'all like, comment, and subscribe on this video, you know. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Leave comments down below, whatever you gotta say. You don't even gotta like it, just comment down below. What type of screen protectors do y'all use for y'all phones? And actually, this is my first time using Spigen screen protectors, and nah, I ain't sponsored either. But hey, you know, just doing it for to help y'all out, cause I be needing help. But yeah, wipe it down with the Microsoft cloth. Wipe all like white, those wet smudges off that might be on there. The extra little excess wetness or like fingerprints. You see, I got a little dust on my phone now after all of that wiping. So you just take a little sticky off the pad and you just clean the dust off. Boom, gotcha. Yeah, got it. Clean it on up. Clean it on up. Dust it on off. Dust it on off. But yeah, I ain't gonna talk too much or too long on this video. But yeah, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, I'm out. What you do right here is you set your phone at the bottom. It's gonna be like them little clips. Make sure it's tightly in there so it doesn't move. Right here is where you see the little part where it say back. I had a hard little time picking it up because my nails bitten off, of course. I don't know why I do that, but I'm gonna stop. But you peel it off slightly and slowly so it doesn't peel up the other screen. Don't touch that adhesive because you don't wanna mess it up. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, I got a little dusted on off. Yeah. But after that, you take the top part and you put it on top of your screen. Now you might see that other case face down, but it ain't touching the carpet at all. So whatever, leave your comments. I don't care. Ain't nothing get on that screen though. But yeah, you lock your phone in. You see, lock. You make sure like the little notches on there are together and they secured. You slowly, softly, a little hard, up and down, a little arrow, point 3 to point 1, point 3 to 1, point 3 to 1. You could do 30 seconds. I did like 40, 45 seconds at the latest. But yeah, I'm out. I'm gone. Like, comment, and subscribe.